If you would like to add WhatsApp as a contact option on your website, and this is specifically for a WordPress website, you can install the plugin called Join.Chat. In the back end of your website, you will go to Plugins, Add New, and you are going to search for Join.Chat and click on Install Now. This is a free plugin. There is a paid version of it, but the free one is sufficient. Then you click on Activate. And on your plugin page, you can navigate all the way down to Join.Chat. Click on Settings. You can also find it in your menu as a separate icon on the left-hand side. But once you've downloaded, you can also go this way. You click on Settings. And now you can start customizing it. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to add your telephone number, choose your country code, and then you can click the test number. It will then send you a message to your WhatsApp. Do this so you can check it's all working. Then you can set the default message when somebody fills the message out on their side. You will then receive a default message. So it's, for example, hi, Retreats Spain, I need more info about, and the particular page they're on. But you can change this however you want. This is just the default. Then you can select the image. Now you can customize this if you wanted your own brand colors, then you would create that in Canva, a specific icon that you want to use. But the default one, which is the WhatsApp logo, is the one I recommend because people recognize it and they automatically know that that's going to be a message through WhatsApp. Then you can change the button text, the position, if it will be on the left-hand side or the right-hand side of your screen, how long it will take once your page is loaded to show the little icon, and so on. You can only show it on mobile only. You can also enable it that if somebody is clicking on it on their desktop, that it will open a WhatsApp web page for them to be able to interact with you. And then you can also have a QR code if you want people to scan that. But this is all advanced. I would go with the default. It absolutely is enough. Then you can define the call to action window that will be displayed before launching WhatsApp. You can introduce yourself here. You can change the text on the button. You can change the color. You can set it as dark mode or not, or automatically. So if it's in if they're opening in a dark room, it goes to the dark mode. But I would just leave the defaults. And then one last thing for customization is your visibility. So the default is to show the widget on every single page, but you can customize it. You can say, I do not want it to be shown on the error page, or I don't want it to be shown on the search results, and so on. Or you just want to show it on there. So there's lots of different options there. But if you want it as a widget to show up on every single page, then you can just leave the default global setting. Then to see it if it's all working, hover over your site name, click on Visit Site, and we've set it so that it will show after 3 seconds. And there you go on the right hand side. There's my WhatsApp icon. I can click on it, and if it's a desktop, it will open the app or prompt them to download the app so they can use it on desktop. Or if they're visiting your page on a phone, it will automatically open the WhatsApp app and then they can chat directly with you. So there you go. You now have the WhatsApp widget installed on your WordPress website.